This is a story of rejections, failures, and ultimate success. Born to a poor family in 1964 in China, Jack had financial troubles ever since he was a kid. When he grew up, he learned English language from the tourists that visited China in exchange for being their tour guide for free. Jack failed 2 times in primary, 3 times in middle school, and 3 times in university. He had hard time graduating out of college, but once he did, he applied for jobs everywhere only to get rejected. Not once, not twice, but 30 times. Yes, you heard it right. When KFC came to China, out of 24 people who gave interview, 23 got selected. Jack rejected. He tried getting into police. 4 out of 5 selected. Again, Jack rejected. Can't even imagine his hardships. Jack came to America in 1995 when he first met the internet. In 1999, with his help of 18 friends, he founded a company named Alibaba. Fast forward to today, Alibaba is one of the top companies of the world, and Jack's net worth is about 40.6 billion US dollars. Jack says we must get used to rejections and failures, and the only thing we need to take care of is not give up. Jack has inspired many young people around the globe and continues to do so. I hope this video helped you in some or the other way. I will see you in the next one. Peace.